So if you see here, sir, just to answer your question, if you see here, when you are going to select the POP, there will be also the contact detail of the POP. If you see here, and before becoming an agent, you can call them, do the negotiation, and then become an agent. If let's say you have completed the entire journey, when I send you an email, in that email there will also be the contact details of the POP, so that you can call them, check the status, do the negotiation of the commission, and then they will approve your this thing.
For self-investment, whether agent commission will be paid?
Means
if I have to make investment for myself, as an agent, I am the client, I am the agent.
So the agent itself,
yeah,
can they? So
I think so being an agent, pension agent, you can have your own plan or your reference also. That would be considered under your code only. That is not a problem, because mapping is being done accordingly under your code.
Whether commission will be paid?
Yes, absolutely.
Mutual fund, it is not allowed. That's what I'm asking.
Exactly. So mutual fund has different classifications of regular scheme, common scheme, right? Here we don't have that. Here there is no any bifurcation like common scheme or direct schemes like what we have in mutual funds, right?
No, sir. To answer your question, yes, you will get the commission.
Yes.
You will get the commission. Client will, if the client wants to see, they will have to go to the CRA portal to see their investment details. This is a B2B portal, and this is not a B2C portal. Like your StAR MF also, the client cannot come and log into StAR MF, correct, sir? Same logic applies here. It is a B2B portal. Like they can go to the RTA portal and see their investment. They can go to AMC portal and see their investment. They can go to MF Central and see their investment. Same logic here, sir.
And CRA also has the mobile applications. So
absolutely correct, sir.
If it is a single client, we can do this onboarding system. Whereas if it is a corporate customers, I'm going to do for 100 people. So in a single slot, how to do it?
So corporate is not yet enabled. For an agent, if they are getting a corporate to the POP, I am not sure whether that there is some journey. I will have to check that and get back to you, sir.
So I'll just answer that question. As of now, there is no direct mechanism. We do it manually from the back end from our POP's operational team. So you can refer to the corporate. The system is like a direct corporate onboarding only. Yes, we give credit on corporate plan and AUM based contribution which is coming from corporate.
No, sir. This is just a prototype, sir. The live thing is different. When you do it live on our portal, sir, that is a different. This is just a prototype, sir. Yeah, I'll just. So this is my live portal, sir. I will just show you. So I'll have to then verify a lot of details, which right now, but you will get the actual details of the customer. Yes, there is an option of changing the POP, but not through this portal. You'll have to go to the CRA portal and do that detail.
But our investor can directly also shift their POP or retail investor. That's possible.
That is possible. We are working towards the API, sir. We will give you the APIs once it is ready. It will take at least minimum of couple of months. We are working on those APIs. So if the customer changes the POP, then what happens to the agent commission?
No, so then again, the commission structure is being directly mapped with the POP mapping. Please understand, all of you. So if that gets shifted, that is something as an agent, as a pension agent, we need to ensure that remains same for you to get the continuity of your commission. Yes. Yes.
Sir, my question is,
It is just consider it as like a AUM transfer, or when the customer goes in the mutual fund sector, he changes the ARN only of the in his all his existing mutual funds. He changes the ARN. The same logic. The old ARN will not get any benefit. It is the same logic here. So here it is like take it as a AUM transfer. In the mutual fund sector, how there is an AUM transfer. Here, if he changes the POP, then it works as a AUM transfer in the mutual fund segment. Same logic.
Sir, will you see? This is a question to BSE StAR. Will you give the feed to us if I am able to make a back office software on my own on my code? I am doing business on my code. Will you be able to give me a feed? All my customer data which is...
Are you talking about the mailback reports?
Mailback reports, yes.
Are you talking about mutual fund or are you talking about NPS?
No, NPS.
In NPS, there is nothing as mailback reports as of now. If you're comparing it to the mutual fund segment, there is no mailback report that the CRA sent to the agents as of now. Okay, there is nothing like that. However, we are working with the CRAs so that whatever in the mutual fund segment that you show them that till now you have invested this much, now the value is this much, this is your returns and all. We are working for something like that so that we can show that to the customers. Once it is ready, we'll definitely expose that to you, sir. Sure. We are working on something like that. But there will not be any mailback reports like in the mutual fund. There will not be any mailback reports that you will be getting.
I'm assuming this is assisted onboarding.
Yes.
Can we give a direct link to the customer to onboard themselves?
We will work on that also, like wherein you will be able to send a link to your customer and that will be for that particular agent itself and it will get tagged to that agent. That is what you're saying, correct?
Correct.
We are working on that. We have got that requirement, we are working on that.
And are there any APIs that we can use to do this?
Sir, I just answered. We are working on this and it will at least take a couple of months, at least minimum, because APIs, to develop those APIs, we're going to take some time. We are working on that also.
Sir, also, if a user has PRAN registered on one RTA, how does the migration works from KFIN or Protein?
No, so you're saying if his PRAN is already on Protein CRA, he wants to change the CRA itself, that he wants to go from Protein to CAM CRA. Is that your question?
Yeah.
That we'll have to ask the CRAs. There is a process. You'll have to go to the. There is a process. We'll have to ask the CRAs about that. How this works. It does not happen through the portal. Through this portal at least.
Okay.
Yes, I'm here from SBI Pension Funds. Yeah. Yes.
Our local team is also here from StAR, BSE StAR. Our local team is also here, sir. If you have any queries, we can definitely take this up and our local team will answer those queries. You can get in touch with them. They will definitely answer those queries also. And I'm from the head office. We will also be in touch and we will share our contact details also so that you can reach out to us directly, sir. We'll definitely assist you.
Usually, you are saying for non-individual agent?
Instead of individual agent, if the agent is a corporate, the same digital process happens.
Yes. Yes. So you're talking about a non-individual agent, correct? Yes. You can. That will be live by next week. So if you see in this agent onboarding only, you can choose whether you're a corporate agent or you're a individual. So if you see here, there is a non-individual also. So you click on non-individual, then your KYC will be completed through CKYC. And you'll have to give a few other additional details like date of incorporation certificate, and all of these will be a little extra. That is getting developed. By next week, that should also be live.
But everything happens digitally only.
Yes, except for your PAN, you'll have to provide the PAN details and the copy and the bank account details and the proof of the bank account. That. Very different. it is the KRAs, and here it is different.
Sir, in renewal every 3 years, do you have any such requirement here?
There is any such requirement?
So usually we don't have any specific timeline, but we keep it as per compliance. If I say, on an average, the agreement what we or engagement we get into is valid up to 5 years. That's what the general timeline applies. Yes, so that is POP to POP, how they want to take it up, but the generic period is valid up to 5 years, this kind of engagement. No, that has to be, again, what we do as re-KYC kind of things, again, that agent has to be re-engaged. So the agreement needs to be renewed. Yes, there is absolutely no impact on that commission part.
Thank you so much, guys.
NPS, we invested 10K. First year, we invested 10K. The next year, first year I used SBA as the POP.
Okay.
The next year, the same customer wants to invest another 30K. Can I pick this different POP?
Yes, absolutely. So as we mentioned, a customer can hold up to 3 different plans, and he can choose 3 different POPs or multiple POPs also for his or her investment.
If I registered through...
Plan number will be varied, yes.
It's important to point out the difference between POP and PFM. So in the mutual fund world, POP is nothing but a big corporate distributor. Okay, and PFM is your asset manager, mutual fund. So as a customer of, let's say, Aditya Birla POP, you can invest across those 12 asset managers. You don't have to keep changing your POP. Why do you want to change your POP? You are already a sub-agent under one big distributor. That big distributor is giving you access to all the 12 mutual fund companies, in this case, pension fund companies. So where is the question of changing your POP that frequently? You're getting it? Because you are a sub-agent of, let's say, just for example out here, an Asset Plus or anyone, right? So as a sub-agent, you can, as it is, invest across 55 AMCs, no? So here also, as a sub-agent, you can invest across all the 12 PFMs. So where is the question of changing your POP that often? One POP is enough for you. Under that, you keep investing in different PFMs, no?
Every year it can change, right?
Huh?
Every year it can change, is that what you're saying?
What
The schemes you can change, you can choose from those 15, 1, 2.
So 12 PFMs, each PFM will have multiple schemes. So 12 into the number of schemes they have. So you as it is have a nice bouquet of 100 schemes to select from by being an agent of one POP only. Why do you have to change your POPs?
Demand of
POP is like
customers.
a big corporate distributor under who you are becoming a sub-agent.
Working with Aditya Birla Sun Life Pension as a zonal head for South. First of all, I would like to, So first of all, I would like to thank the event organizer for providing me this opportunity to present you guys about the benefit of becoming a pension agent, because as you all guys already are the mutual fund distributor. Through this presentation, I would like to take you guys about the advantages of becoming a pension agent, where we will be trying to explain you about the benefits of becoming the NPS, joining the NPS ecosystem, income opportunities available for you, support provided by the POPs in this once you become a pension agent, and finally the process of becoming the pension agent. These are the topics which will be covered under this presentation. So let's start with the first thing, the roles and responsibility of a pension agent. Let me showcase everyone over here. Yeah. So as a mutual fund distributors, you guys would have already been playing a very important role by educating your clients about the benefits of mutual funds, helping them about selecting the suitable investment solutions, and supporting them through their investment journey. Similarly, once you become a pension agent, you will be educating the customers about the importance of retirement planning and benefits of investing into NPS by creating awareness about the retirement planning to them. Second thing, assisting them in the opening the NPS account through the platform of StAR NPS platform and also helping them to verify all the required KYC which is required. Then you will be also encouraging them for a disciplined contribution into retirement planning by encouraging them to invest on a very regular basis. Then providing all the necessary support which is related to NPS. You will be the one-stop solution for them. And finally, provide a fair, transparent, customer-centric guidance while following the PFRDA guidelines. So if you see, in many ways, the roles of as a pension agent is very similar to the role which you're already performing as a mutual fund distributors. So with an added additional opportunity to help your customers achieve their long-term retirement goals. So this is the major, basically that whatever you're doing right now already, same thing you will be continuing in a very big way. So definitely you will be increasing your portfolio and other things and helping your existing clients to plan for their retirement. So coming to my next thing, why to join NPS ecosystem? So first of all, as you know, NPS is growing rapidly year on year, basically due to the increasing in the awareness about the retirement planning, raising of expectancies, and life expectancies are increasing year on year, and the aging of populations. As a retirement planning become increasingly important year on year, this create a significant opportunity for the pension agent to grow along with the industry. Finally, secondly, you have how you have a BSE StAR mutual fund platform to support client onboarding and portfolio related activities in mutual funds. Similarly, in NPS, you have StAR NPS platform, which enables seamless, paperless, and fastest onboarding process for the subscribers. Third, like how mutual fund have SEBI, in NPS we have PFRDA as a regulatory body which is providing robust regulatory framework focused on transparency and investors protections. We have once you join an NPS ecosystem, you can expand your portfolio by adding high impact retirement planning solution and provide a more comprehensive financial planning position for your customers. NPS can help you build long-term and recurring engagement with your existing clients, as retirement planning is a long-term financial journey. And finally, to ensure you receive a required support for providing all this support to your clients, POP will provide you end-to-end support in all the matters related to NPS. So now coming to the potential income sharing. So guys, most of you were asking in the just few minutes back about the income sharing, what will be the percentage and all. So this is a small snapshot about how a POP generates its income. So as been explained to you guys earlier, you guys will be having an interaction with your POPs, discussing with them about the business opportunity you have with them. So based on your business opportunity, your average ticket size, your persistency and the business quality what you're having, you can decide the percentage with your POP, and based on that you can internally help you to generate income. What I like to say is that this provides an opportunity to you to create an additional and sustainable revenue stream while simultaneously expanding your customer base. So this is something which I like to explain in this slide. And now let us look into how POP supports the pension agent. First of all, now let's understand how you onboard into a mutual fund with this help of the BSE thing. Same way in NPS you have the StAR NPS, which allows you to have a very easiest process of onboarding. Second thing, once you get onboarded, the POP will provide all the required training for you, which is related to the sales process, sales pitch and other things. And the third one, they will also provide all the support related to operation, whether it is account opening, contributions, or even any changes which has happened in their required NPS account. All those changes, support, operational support will be provided by the POPs. Technical support like how to log into an STAR NPS, how to go through it, all those training also will be provided by the POP to you. Business development opportunity, like they will be like providing a hand-in-hand service to you people about doing a joint calls with you, doing joint awareness sessions with you, and also at the same time helping you for your closures. So there'll be a business development support also will be provided by the POP to you. And to do all this thing, every POP will be offering a dedicated RM from their end to ensure that you have a smooth and hassle-free process, hassle-free support for your clients in the NPS thing. So finally, coming to the last slide in the presentation, steps of becoming a pension agent. So once this event is get over, you can please get in touch with the first step I would like to request is to please get in touch with your POPs, respective POP, schedule a meeting with them, understand the entire process, discuss with them about your revenue sharing platform and everything. And once that has been done, and once you finalize that you would like to become a pension agent, submit all the required KYC document along with your license, required financial product license, which you are eligible, which you have with you. And then the POP will be helping you to onboard as a pension agent. So along with, in the slide, if you see, you can also have, you already have the contact details as the respective POPs. So please connect with them and schedule a meeting to understand further about the benefits of becoming a pension agent. So finally, I'd like to thank everyone for providing this opportunity. I hope I'm able to share all the required information about a pension agent, which will help you to take the required decision to become an agent in NPS. Thanks everyone. Thanks a lot.